Welcome, everybody, at the international conference entitled Perversion and its Discontents, organized by the Institute of Philosophy of the Research Center of the Slovenian Academy of Sciences and Arts. Formalities at the beginning. This conference is sponsored by the Slovenian Research Agency under the project title Structure and Genealogy of Perversion in Contemporary Philosophy, Politics and Arts, which runs from 2020 to 2023. It's going to be one-day conference with 7 speakers, expanding over the day. We will have a lunch break in between and many coffee breaks. So a lot of chances for all of you also for off-the-record chats. But let me state at the beginning why we are here today. Perversion is most commonly associated in the vernacular with explicitly subjective personal modes of enjoyment. Lacan psychoanalysis, however, has taught us that perversion is a much more ambiguous phenomenon and that it is based on a structural non-personal enjoyment. Typically, a pervert assumes the role of an executioner, a professional who carefully and meticulously carries out his or her task and mission. In this sense, the figure of perversion can be an exciting and productive starting point for questioning how power and social bonds function today. In doing so, we can see how a critic of power that points primarily to its subjective abuses falls short and fails to address the systemic violence that accompanies the normal and professional functioning of power, as well as the systemic enjoyment generated by its inherent contradictions. In this way, an ideology emerges according to which power is good only as long as no one enjoys in it. Such a critique of power on the basis of its subjective abuse, however, paves the way for populism. Populism cannot be reduced to the personal style and shameless enjoyment of populist leaders, which is, in the meantime, also true, but it's still short to say. For this power and populism feeds on an entirely different source of the traumatic enjoyment. The latter is systemic at its core, non-personal, and is bound by populism through its various imaginary and symbolic figures. It is bound by it, but not dissolved by it, because populism participates in the contradictions that produces it. So, in contrast to such a popular image of perversion, which sees perversion itself as a reaction to the structural contradictions of enjoyment, this conference will once again attempt to reverse the perspective and discuss what might be considered the discontent in a very Freudian sense of Unbehagen, the discontent of perversion itself. No matter how successfully perverts seem to avoid or disavow castration or social antagonisms at the political level and the associated trauma of enjoyment, they cannot altogether dismiss the discontent characteristic of culture or civilization as such.